What are you going to draw next? You going to draw a dog? Is that Tia? What's that one, Chloe?
Account.
Account.
It means accounting. Count. What wrong it?
Hang on, Lilybug.
See this one? Buddy.
Yeah, what was that one?
Count. Pen. Count pen.
You going to draw a dog? Draw a dog for Grandpa?
It's a dog.
You drew an octopus. Can you draw a doggy now?
That's not an octopus. That's daddy octopus.
Okay. Is there a baby octopus?
Yeah,
You can draw a face. Put a face on them. They need eyes and a mouth. Whoop.
What?
Did you get it? When you get done with that, you're going to write your name. Can you write Love, Chloe, and Lily? Can you write Lily's name too?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a little
A little octopus. Good job.
a little head, a little body, a little thing, a little face.
Okay. Can you write Love, Chloe, and Lily?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Chloe Little.
Chloe and Lily. Good job. There you go. Are you still working on it?
Yeah.
Let me know when you're done and we'll send it to Grandpa.
Now
We'll put it in the mail.
it's morning time.
Mm-hmm.
It's morning time now, but not yet. It's not night time now.
Oh, it is. Now what are you writing?
TXT.
Oh, yeah? You doing
K.
K? Okay.
W. K. WK.
WK.
WX. Y and Z.
Good job.
No way. A. I'm gonna mess up it.
You're not. You're doing a good job.
TUE. WX. Only T.
Good girl.
What do we do next? To a can two. On to A. On to A. To A. One to A. One to O. One to A. One to O. One to A. One to O.
What's that?
What's one to O?
1, 2, O?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do we do?
Is it done?
No, not yet.
Yeah, okay. What else you got to put on it?
Count. Let's put some count on it. To how to I kiss. This is Hanku.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
What you eating?
Toast.
Can I have some toast?
Are you done with your card?
No, not yet. Can I have a piece of toast?
Yep. Can you say happy birthday, Grandpa?
Happy birthday, Grandpa. Let me sit on that.
Right, you want to tell Grandpa Psalms 23? Okay, go ahead, tell him. The
Lord is his shepherd.
Take your hand out of your mouth.
The Lord is my shepherd. I still not want.
He
He makes me you cried.
No, I'm watching you.
To make me delight in green pastures.
He
He lies down in green pastures.
leadeth.
What?
He leadeth.
He leads us beside the still waters.
Good girl.
Can I see on that?
That's Psalms 23, 1 and 2.
Psalm 21 and 2.
Okay.